What's up, YouTube? We back with another video, y'all. Right now, I'm making the intro for today's video, but I'm making it after the video because I accidentally deleted the clip of me putting the shit in the whatever. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. And yeah, make sure y'all watch through the whole thing. Alright, y'all. We in the car. About to be on the way to the airport. And yeah, y'all see it. Just for the trip though. I promise. Promise.
Napkin maybe.
I don't even like it like that though either. Like, I'm just hitting it to hit it. Like literally. Can you get me like a watermelon Sprite? I ain't never had that. And I see watermelon flavor on the window. Or I think. Yeah, see? Watermelon and chocolate blueberry.
I like this dress. I'm gonna take a picture of it. It shows up there all the time.
But anyway, I'll pick the camera back up when we get on the plane, or to the airport actually. All right, y'all, we made it to the airport. Yeah. We lost. I ain't never flew before, so it's the first time. Got my grandma, my aunt. So what? Don't we gotta go downstairs? Or I'm confused. Got the see it. I can't even record like that because I'm just like I'm holding my drink, bro. Look, I got my drink in this hand with my camera, all that. Thank you. You got it? We out, no. We ain't Indy with it. On the G. Yeah. Watch your step. Literally just said what? She almost fell. Hey, you remember when Home Alone was trying to change his battery and he lost his dad? I just had a little thought. I should probably wait.
I told Keegan that guy your mom likes.
And my battery about to die too.
Have you seen him? Keegan said he looks like the guy that burglarized on Home Alone.
Yeah.
I'm about to remember to appear from that. That's Home Alone.
Alright, y'all, well, we just about to walk to the plane, and then I'll pick the camera back up when we get like settled in on the plane, because I don't know what we're doing right now, so yeah. Ooh, look at the lights.
Yes.
I don't know.
Then it'll be to your left.
Look at the lights, y'all. Yeah. Gotcha. You know, I had to get the good camera angles real quick because, you know, I got y'all. see y'all when I get on the plane. When I get on the plane. I don't know if y'all heard me, my bad. It's loud in here. gotta show them the airport fit. Show them the airport fit. Airport fit. Show them my airport fit.
How do I turn this?
Just turn the camera. Don't get nobody though.
I'm not airport fit.
Airport fit.
Here, keep it comfy.
Alright, y'all. We just dropped off the luggage.
Mine was overweight.
Yeah, hers was overweight by like a few pounds, so I had to fix it. But yeah, we're just walking around, about to look for something to do until we gotta be on the airplane. Oh yeah, they trying to put her in the back of the airplane too. Like, that's so lame.
But I cannot sit by myself.
Like, they trying to put her all the way in the back. Even though we're going to the same place, but still. Trying to sit next to my bae. Especially, this is my first flight. Like, I gotta sit next to you.
I can't sit by myself.
Just tell them you got anxiety real bad and you have to sit next to me. Just be like, I have to sit next to my boyfriend. We just walking through the airport. Walking through the airport.
Please observe the no parking regulations in upper and lower loading.
This is the gates to all the gates.
Your cooperation.
They won't get any extra.
Alright, so we made it to the gates. I'm gonna wait till we get on the plane to record because I don't want the security or whatever to say no.
That's what it says, huh?
Alright, y'all, we just made it past the airport security. Right now, we just about to. I smell some food. I smell food. What they got up in here? They got some stores and shit. The AirPod. Got a little sound thing. Yeah. We're about to get on the plane right now, y'all. I like the airport vibe. Like, it's just cool. All the way to the right. So, that way. Southwest. Huh? Oh. He ain't touch it though. Cause I was watching. He ain't touching nothing.
Mine was in my purse.
Yeah.
I need a cigarette.
How you feel?
Huh?
How you feel?
I'm low-key tired.
For real? Me too. Just a little bit. I hope we can sit together, bro.
Yeah.
If we can't, that's.
This is our anniversary. A year we've been married and we've never been anywhere. Can I please sit with him?
I feel like I'm walking in 2x speed. Oh my gosh, look over, Shannon, look to the right while you're walking.
I did.
I feel like I'm just levitating. So,
Show 'em.
we on the, not the elevator, but the escalator, the straight escalator. Mass Ave.
Right my damn neck.
Damn, we're still at the Indy airport. Like, I feel like we've been through like 3 different dimensions. in the last 30 minutes. It's crazy. All right, we made it on the plane.
Next time we got to come early.
We made it.
What if we don't get to sit together?
At least we didn't miss it. I don't know. If we don't get to sit together, then
She said you're about to miss it. What were you doing?
Wait until next one.
but I don't know if we can sit together because
We didn't even get told how we missed it.
yeah. Sorry.
Next time I bet y'all will.
Girl, we're way here.
We're walking into the plane, y'all. I'm gonna turn the camera off. No, not yet. I don't want them to take my camera though, so I'm gonna turn it off until I sit down. We made it on the plane, y'all. We lit. We gotta put our seatbelts on.
If you are in an emergency exit, please review the exit requirements and operating instructions for this Boeing 737-800 series aircraft, which is on the safety information card for the backup is there too. If you do not meet all section criteria in the card, are unable to perform the function, or believe that performing those functions may cause you harm, please let us know right now so that we can research it. So that we may push back from the exit to our all sit down, raise all sit back, the trigger to the full upright and left position. And please ensure that all of your carrying items are completely stored under the seat in front of you, or in an overhead bin leaving the area around your plan. Your large laptop computer or part of an electronic device of similar size must also be stored at this time.
All right, I got my seatbelt buckled.
You
ready, y'all? How you feel? You ready?
Yeah.
Ooh, I almost cut my finger. Oh shit. Somebody just dropped their cup. I want to fly first class. One day, just one day, okay? Maybe one day. No, not maybe. Definitely one day. No matter what. What? What? Yo. We got our little table. This the view, y'all. Got the headphones right here. Got the phone, you know.
Hello. Okay, my mom wasn't answering the phone. I'm just letting you know that. We made it.
I got my tickets in my pocket. Let me take those out.
Hello. Hello. Who's this?
Bag.
Oh, it sounded like you took it different. But
No, I'm
yeah, we're on the plane now. My bag was literally overweight by 5 pounds.
Say, luckily for my boyfriend, I was able to go. Put my wallet up in there.
Yeah. I had to take out 2 pairs of shoes and then my bathing suit. Well, I put a pair of shoes on and then 1 pair.
Alright, should be good now.
Yeah.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we need your help. There's a mother and a child that needs to sit together. If you could be so kind as
Alright, well,
help them out.
I was just letting you know.
W Pilot, y'all.
One free drink.
W Pilot. He tryna have where my grandma and my aunt could sit together, you know. W.
Oh.
Hi guys,
Sorry, hello. Just connected to my speaker.
since you are sitting in the exit row, everyone you are aware that you are sitting in the exit row.
Hello.
Honey, I think I just have to have your 800 series aircraft. Please take a look at your safety information cards and your seatbelt pockets. In the unlikely event of evacuation, I will not be here to guide you guys. Will you guys be willing and able to get the windows open by pulling down the red handle? There's a demonstration up top and open on the bottom of the aircraft. I need a verbal yes. Yep.
Thank you.
Yes. Honey, I just need a verbal yes. Sorry? If you're willing and able to get the window open by pulling down the red handle.
No.
Yeah.
Don't do it. Sorry. I'm sorry.
Okay. You just have to give me a verbal yes if you're willing.
Oh, yeah, sorry.
It's okay.
Sorry. Too busy. Talking about you.
Okay.
Alright, y'all, we finna take off. Look outside. We finna take off. I'm on my phone right now too, y'all. I'm waiting. It's finna. Boy. That's it, y'all. It's my first time on a plane. Y'all get to see it with me. Such a special moment, huh? Y'all get to ride the first plane with me. How do y'all feel about that? Oh shit, look, we on the runway. I can't even show y'all the runway because it's like straight, but we're about to take off, y'all. I'm gonna just film it. We taking off, y'all. Here we go. Here goes the plane coming off the ground. It's about to take off. Oh shit, we building the speed. Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit, oh shit. First time, y'all. We in here. Damn, is this motherfucker gonna take off or what? I'm low-key nervous, y'all. My hand's sweating bad as hell. I'm just starting to think about like what could happen. But I don't know. I ain't that anxious. I'm just like, damn. It feel like we just driving on the highway. Damn, this runway about long as hell. You ready to land? I'm excited to see Florida though. I ain't never been to Florida either, y'all. So y'all get to do all this with me for the first time. How do y'all feel?
Ladies and gentlemen, we have a clear for departure.
I had to take my thumbnails. Bro, we still ain't took off yet. Like, what's going on? I'm confused. What you over here watching? She watching Ruth and Boss. What is it? Ruth and Bows. Bows. I don't know. Shit. How are you watching that? You have data? Oh. What is it? Oh, no, I'm tweaking. I'm just nervous, my bad. I'm just a little nervous. We ain't take off yet, but we about to. I think we had to go all the way in a circle around the thing, but now we taking off because you hear the jets. What?
I hope so.
Okay. I'm just about to film it. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Bro, we going like 700 miles an hour. Oh hell no, we going like 700 miles an hour right now. And we off the We just hit a U. We said, oh shit. Alright, so we just landed at the airport. Right now, I'm waiting for my grandma to use the bathroom. And then, I don't know what we're about to do. I think we're about to get an Uber to the hotel. And then figure it out from there. But I don't know. We're going to see. We landed, now we're getting our bags. I'm about to take the... Why does it feel like I have a damn headphone in my ear, bro? I don't like this shit. How do you get it to stop? Is your ear still doing it? Huh? Like, I literally cannot hear out of this ear. Huh?
Swallow.
Southwest customers join us from Indianapolis.
Damn, it's kind of helping.
Carousel change, carousel 15. Carousel 15 for Indianapolis.
What do you mean?
Indianapolis, carousel 15.
What do you mean, come on?
Indianapolis, carousel change, carousel 15.
Like she changed the number, it's not going to be on 14.
Oh. I see mine, maybe? Oh. Damn, I don't know what mine looks like. I think this might be it. Yeah. Alright, y'all. Alright, y'all. We just waiting for, I'm gonna need you to be my cameraman a little bit, because that shit's stressful trying to do everything and record. You hear me? Will you do that?
You need to calm down. That's what you need to do.
Will you do that for me? Like here and there, you don't gotta do it all day.
Here and there I will, but I'm not finna do like 24 hours a day.
Alright, you can like talk to them for a minute, because they ain't talked to you this whole video.
They ain't really not, okay.
Well, I mean not talk to you, but you
I'm kind of tired. I've been up since 6 a.m. My back hurts. The flight was cool.
Yeah, them seats were terrible though.
Yeah, my back is like
it was like
on
making
fire.
my back kind of.
The flight was cool though. I watched a movie. I listened to music. Yeah. So good, so good so far. Right?
It's hot. I like iced coffee more. It's good though. Thank you. Rockstar lifestyle. That do smell good. You want some? No. You said you're tired, but we do need to go to sleep when we get to the hotel probably. Cause I'm trying to wake up like early and go out.
I'm not going to sleep this early.
Well, I'm gonna probably go to sleep at like. We're on vacation. I ain't about to be sleeping for real. I'm not gonna lie to you. Because sleep is not needed unless, like, you know. We can sleep at any time though. We're on vacation. Where y'all go? Oh. Alright, we'll be waiting right here.
Try to cut me off. Look, again.
This is gonna be my life.
But yeah, I
in a few years, every
literally
day.
just miss my dog.
Y'all hear me? This is gonna be my life in a few years every day. I'm telling you right now. I'm standing on it.
Period. Fuck it. Period. Okay.
Y'all gonna see me at the airport every single day. Going to a new spot. And then we're gonna go home and shit. Hey, where you going? Where you going? Alright. That old man over there checking my girl out like crazy, bro. He gonna lie. But what can I do? I mean, shit.
Get over here.
My girl, beautiful. I can't be mad. I mean, shit, I'll be looking too. Oh boy. Yeah. We just waiting for the rental, y'all. My ear won't quit being clogged and shit. Damn, that's better, y'all. That's better. I can hear now. Bro. Y'all see, we got the nails done and shit. The nails still fresh. Well, I would say the flight was cool for real. I liked it. But, yeah. How y'all been enjoying the video though? I hope y'all been enjoying this video. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Since y'all got to see my first time on a flight with me for the first time, y'all gotta subscribe, bro. For that, y'all gotta hit that subscribe button. Like, come on, please, y'all. Just hit the subscribe button, bro. It ain't even that hard, you know. It take like 5 seconds. Literally, exit out the video. Or don't exit, like just swipe down if you're on the phone, whatever. And then click that subscribe button and turn on the bell. Please, turn on the bell, y'all. But I appreciate y'all for watching the videos. My views have been going up, my average view ratio. So, that's good. But, we just gotta keep going up, y'all. Can't never, feel me? You can't never have enough. But yeah, I'm just about to sit right here. My girl ran to the bathroom to hit her little vaping shit or whatever. But I'll see y'all when we get back to, or not back, but when we get to the Airbnb. Alright, y'all, we just got picked up after 2 hours.
I don't think I'm in the right place. That was where you drop people off.
Yeah.
Well, this says you have to.
We're about to go to the hotel.
Next year?
We're about to just chill, see what's going on.
Alright, now, got this.
Alright, y'all, well, I'm gonna end the video right here. Hope y'all enjoyed it. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see y'all tomorrow. Tell them bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, y'all.
Well, me and Dennis is broke up.
We'll see y'all in tomorrow's video.
Got down here, but me and